The crème brûlée is very easy to do. It requires only a few ingredients, just milk, sugar and yolk and vanilla, and we'll add a little bit of coffee and chocolate. That's all. Now we are going to boil the milk very slowly with a little bit of vanilla. That's all, very simple. Try not to boil over, and that's it. So we have now the eggs yolk, the sugar and the chocolate and the coffee. I am using a wet towel that will hold the container during the mixing of the eggs. We are going to beat the yolks with the sugar. Now it's ready. We're going to add the milk. The milk is nearly there. We put the boiling milk and we slowly put in the mixture. Beautiful. Now what we're going to do, we're going to filter this milk, see if there's no shell or nothing inside. Okay, that's good. And we're going to divide that in three. One for the chocolate, one for the milk, and one for the coffee. Okay, we divide. Oh. We divide in three. Good. This one will be coffee. This one will be chocolate. Easy. And this one will be vanilla. In the meantime, we boil the water. We are now preparing a tray with the grid under the ramekin. Chocolate. Okay. Now, vanilla. Good. And chocolate. And chocolate. Just we fill up with hot water, boiling hot water. Okay, you fill up halfway. Okay, in the bottom I put some a grid, or you can put newspaper to stop the vibration in the oven. Right. Okay, put the oven, and normally I will just put a little lid. I don't want it burnt on top. And we cook for 20 minutes. All smoky, all beautiful. Okay, et voilà, little caramel, coffee, chocolate, and vanilla. Which one would you prefer?
Oh, I prefer the vanilla.
Vanilla for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, so what's this T-shirt you got on?
Ah, that's from Gérard Garbé. The new collection is ready, and you can buy online. Our bigger choice and new logos.
What is it?
I think it's a drop bear. Now we got a special visitor, a special chef from Aix from Tabletop. Give me hand there. Try to burn the caramel. Oh shit. Don't blow in this one. Did you learned your hygiene rules? Okay. And this one?
The vanilla?
Yeah, on the vanilla. I give to Paula this one. It looks nice. Glenn. Wow, how you do that? Look at this. Huh? Fantastic.
Oh, we're on fire now.
Yeah. Don't burn the plates. That's good. Very good. Very good. Look at this. And what we got there? Ooh, that's a Brûlée Pinot Gris from Brown Magpie. I call it a bit of huh? Good. Oh, nice. What do you think of this little Botrytis there?
Yes, beautiful.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Which one you
for
prefer?
dessert.
The one with vanilla or?
I'm having the chocolate brulee
Yeah.
and the botrytis.
Good.
Beautiful.
What do you think? What you having there?
I'm having coffee.
But your glass is empty. Oh no, this one. Oh, oh yeah. What are you drinking, Paula?
Botrytis.
Oh, very nice. And what you eating?
Complements the brulee.
Oh, the Brûlée crème. Oh,
Coffee.
nice. Okay, I'm glad you enjoyed it. Thank you, Paula. Thank you, Glenn, for visiting us tonight.